with the Vice Chair, Manny Cecilia here, and all the other officers, and likewise to the #1 world-class hospital here in our country, St. Luke, which I like very much your motto, we love life. Is that your motto? Yeah. I am a pro-life professional. So I am very, very pleased to be part of this occasion, and I'm sure that it is another manifestation of the commitment of Asian Life, and at the same time recognition being given by St. Luke to the importance of the medical and health care. Congratulations.
I'd like to request Mr. Mendoza and Ms. Jo Aguilar to join me here up front. We have who knows football here? Football, whenever they start, they exchange uniforms. So we're going to do something similar. And we have the exchange of tokens. Request Jo to say something. Yeah, here. And I'd like to request our Vice Chairman, Mr. Ordesillas, and Congressman Mandanas, to be with the two as they exchange tokens. Yeah. I think this is a better side. This is a better side. Please take out that. Doc Vinice and Doc Sedge. Sir Bob, where's Sir Bob? Please join us.